Hi, my name is Joel Matthew. You are 15 CS 177, and today I'm going to be explaining one of my C++ lab programs. So the concept used here is friend function. So in this question, I have to create a class named time with data members hours, minutes, and seconds. I have to create a constructor which initializes this data to 0, and another one to initialize it to fixed values. There should be a member function to display it all these values, and also member function which should overload the binary plus operator, uh, so that two time objects can be added, and then we should make this function as friend function. So let's see the program. So here we have the header file iostream and namespace std. So this is the class time, in which I have declared three members hours, minutes, and seconds. And then this is the default constructor which will initialize these values to 0. And then this is the parameterized constructor to assign fixed values to these members. And this is the display function which will be displaying the time, and this is the friend function which is operator overloaded function of binary plus. So this will return the value in time, and we have to send two parameters which are objects of class time. So this is the friend function. Uh, so this is the main function in which we have invoked the two parameterized constructor by creating two objects t1, t2, and this will actually invoke the parameterized constructor, and this t3 will invoke the default constructor. So when we write t3 equal to t1 plus t2, then this binary operator overloaded function is invoked. So in this function, as you can see, we have two parameters t1 and t2. So here we create a temporary object t3 of class time. So in this t3 dot seconds will be assigned the value t1 dot seconds plus t2 dot seconds. So here, if the limit exceeds 60, then we take the value is assigned the modulus of 60, and then uh, the minutes is incremented. And if minutes exceeds 60 in this case, then hours is also incremented. So in the next, we also add the minutes of the two objects and assign it to the third one. And here also we put the condition: if minutes exceed 60, then the minutes is assigned the percentage of 60, uh, minutes modulus 60, and then we increment the hours, t3 dot hours. So let's see, in the next one is we add the 2 hours of the two objects and we assign it to the third object. And if this exceeds 24 hours, then we again apply the mod function, and then we uh, the t3 hours is equal to t3 hours. So later on, then we return this t3 variable. As you can see, the return type is of class time. So after returning here, we invoke this display function with the help of object t3. So this displays the value, the time actually. So let's see how the program runs. So as you can see, we get the required output for the fixed values which we have set. Thank you for seeing my program.